The GED extended response does not require perfect writing, but preventable mistakes can hide good reasoning. The largest problems are usually not advanced grammar. They are task errors, choosing a position without evaluating support, summarizing both passages instead of comparing them, inserting evidence without explanation, and spending so much time drafting that no revision is possible. A controlled checklist protects your work. A student may write that passage 1 is correct because the student has seen the issue personally. That response moves away from the assigned texts. Replace personal agreement with an analytical standard. State that passage 1 is stronger because it uses relevant data, explains its reasoning, or addresses a weakness that passage 2 ignores. Keep the essay anchored to evidence the scorer can verify. A paragraph that retells passage 1 and then retells passage 2 may show comprehension, but it does not complete the evaluation. After every summary sentence, ask, why does this matter? Explain whether the evidence is credible, relevant, sufficient, or logically connected. The response should spend more time analyzing the relationship between evidence and claim than repeating passage content. Students sometimes add several quotations because they believe more evidence automatically means a higher score. But a short quotation followed by clear explanation is stronger than a long copied sentence. Introduce the evidence, use only the needed words, and explain exactly how the detail strengthens or weakens the argument. Your reasoning must connect the quotation to your thesis. If you analyze only the chosen passage, the reader cannot see why it is stronger than the alternative. Include the weaker passage at meaningful comparison points. You might show that one author uses a documented study while the other relies on a prediction, or that one explains causation while the other merely assumes it. Comparison makes the evaluation visible. Pronouns such as it, they, or this can become confusing when two authors and several claims appear in the same paragraph. Use phrases such as the first author, passage 2, this statistic, or the proposed policy. Clear reference is more important than stylistic variety. The scorer should never have to guess which idea your sentence is discussing. Avoid broad openings about society, history, or the importance of debate. Answer the prompt quickly. Also check whether two paragraphs make the same claim in different language. Repetition can make the essay longer but not stronger. Use your time for evidence and explanation. A concise essay with controlled analysis is better than a long essay that circles the same point. Your first editing pass should focus on meaning, not commas. Read the thesis and topic sentences. Do they answer the prompt? Does each body paragraph support the thesis? Is there evidence from both passages? Have you explained why the evidence matters? If the essay has a structural gap, fix it before correcting minor language errors. Content and organization carry more weight than cosmetic changes. Next, scan for high-impact language errors. Look for sentences that run together or stop before completing a thought. Check that subjects and verbs agree. Confirm that pronouns clearly refer to a noun. Review punctuation around complete sentences and introductory phrases. Read slowly enough to catch missing words. Do not rewrite every sentence. Correct errors that interfere with clarity. In the final pass, tighten the language. Remove repeated conclusions and unnecessary phrases. Replace vague references with clear nouns. Make sure quotations are introduced and not copied inaccurately. Confirm that every paraphrase represents the passage fairly. If a sentence is difficult to understand, simplify it instead of adding more words. Clear writing makes the analysis easier to follow. A practical time plan divides the task into reading and planning, drafting, and editing. The exact minutes may vary, but editing time must be protected. If you are behind, shorten the conclusion before sacrificing explanation in the body paragraphs. A complete but concise response with a final check is usually safer than an unfinished essay with an elaborate opening. Before submitting, verify 5 things. The thesis identifies the better supported argument. The body paragraphs use specific evidence. Each piece of evidence is explained. Both passages are compared. Sentence-level errors do not block meaning. This checklist will not make every sentence perfect, but it will ensure that your response performs the task the GED is actually scoring. The next lessons move from essay organization to language control. You will learn how to identify complete sentences, repair fragments and run-ons, choose correct verb forms, maintain agreement, and use pronouns clearly. These skills appear in GED editing questions and also help you revise your extended response more efficiently.